Hello viewers, a warm welcome to you all on my channel English Winglish by Rita. I'm here with a very useful session for you all today. In this session, we are going to learn the correct pronunciation of 10 most commonly used words. We use these words in our daily lives, but most of us pronounce them wrongly. So let's see what are these 10 words and learn their correct pronunciation. Our first word is jewelry. Ornaments that ladies wear to look graceful or more beautiful. Many people speak it as jewelry or something else, but its correct pronunciation is jewelry. Speak after me, jewelry. Every one of us use these in our meals, but we pronounce it wrongly. What we call vegetables. क्या बोलते हैं आप इसे? Vegetables. That is wrong. Correct pronunciation is vegetables. E is silent. You don't have to speak E. Simply say vegetables. I'm going to buy vegetables from the market. Next is a brand name. क्या बोलेंगे आप इसे देखकर? Chevrolet or Chevrolet? No, we call it Chevrolet. Speak with me. Chevrolet. 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 The one with whom we are engaged is called fiancé. Seeing its spelling, usually people speak fiancé, fiancé, etc. But actually its correct pronunciation is fiancé. Speak with me. Fiancé, fiancé, fiancé. This is the first meal that we take in the morning, and many of us call it breakfast. Breakfast. That is wrong. Correct pronunciation is breakfast. What you will call? Breakfast. I am having my breakfast. Next is a place where we go out for having our meals. Restaurant. But what do you call it? Restaurant? Restaurant? No. It's called restaurant. Speak with me. Restaurant. 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 Again, the most commonly used word, yet the most wrongly pronounced. What do you call it? Onion? Yes, many of us call it onion. That's incorrect. Its correct pronunciation is onion. What do you call it? Onion. 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 Next is again a brand name, and we call it Nike. I think many of us call it Nike. That's incorrect. Its correct pronunciation is Nike. 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 Repeat with me. Nike. Next is data. Yes, data. What do you call data? It's incorrect. Correct pronunciation is data. Data. That is information. So, repeat with me. Data, not data, data. I think everyone's favorite and mostly used. But what do you call it? Pizza. Right? You call it pizza. I'm going to have pizza today. Incorrect. You have to say pizza. I'll have pizza today. I'm going to have pizza today. Pizza. Pizza. Repeat with me. Pizza. Pizza. So friends, don't forget to pronounce them correctly now. These were the 10 words for today. In my next sessions, I will come with many more words for correct pronunciations. Thank you for watching my session, and thanks to all my viewers and subscribers for their appreciation. If you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to it and get updated for further notifications. Thank you. Have a great day.